The healthy benefits of onions, scientific proof and insights. Onions allium kepa are a staple in kitchens around the world, valued for their unique flavor and versatility in a wide range of dishes. However, beyond their culinary applications, onions boast an impressive array of health benefits supported by scientific research. This article delves into the numerous health benefits of onions, highlighting the scientific evidence behind their effectiveness. Nutritional profile of onions. Before we explore the health benefits, it's essential to understand the nutritional profile of onions. They are low in calories yet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A medium-sized onion, about 110 grams, typically contains calories, 44 carbohydrates, 10 grams fiber, 1.9 grams sugars, 2 grams vitamin C, 7 of the daily value DB vitamin B6, 6 of the divide manganese, 4 of the divide potassium, 4 of the divide. Onions also contain phytochemicals, including flavonoids and sulfur compounds, which contribute to their health-promoting properties. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Onions are a significant source of antioxidants, particularly quercetin, a flavonoid that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that quercetin can neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage. 1. Scientific evidence. A study conducted in 2018 found that quercetin can help protect against oxidative damage in human cells and animal models, thereby potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. 2. Heart health. The consumption of onions has been linked to improved heart health. The sulfur compounds in onions, such as thiosulfonate and diallyl disulfide, may help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Scientific evidence. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition found that higher onion intake was associated with lower total cholesterol levels and reduced blood pressure among participants. 3. Another study indicated that onion consumption is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, primarily due to its ability to lower LDL bad cholesterol and raise HDL good cholesterol levels. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Onions contain several compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Scientific evidence. Research has demonstrated that quercetin can inhibit the production of inflammatory substances in the body. A study published in Food Function found that quercetin supplementation significantly reduced markers of inflammation in obese participants. 5. Furthermore, onion extracts have been shown to inhibit the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes. 6. 4. Cancer prevention. Several studies suggest that onion consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly stomach and colorectal cancers. The organosulfur compounds and flavonoids in onions may contribute to their anti-cancer effects. Scientific evidence. A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher allium vegetable consumption, including onions, was associated with a lower risk of gastric cancer. 7. Additionally, a study in cancer research highlighted that the consumption of onions may reduce the risk of colorectal cancer due to their ability to enhance the production of detoxifying enzymes in the body. 8. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Onions may also play a role in blood sugar control, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The sulfur compounds and quercetin in onions may enhance insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Scientific evidence. A study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology found that onion juice could significantly lower blood glucose levels in diabetic rats, indicating its potential as a natural remedy for managing diabetes. 9. Another clinical trial suggested that quercetin supplementation improved blood sugar levels and glycemic control in participants with type 2 diabetes. 10. 6. Digestive health. Onions are a good source of prebiotics, particularly inulin, which can promote gut health by supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and can aid in digestion, immunity, and nutrient absorption. Scientific evidence. Research published in Nutrients highlighted that inulin has prebiotic effects, improving gut health and enhancing the absorption of minerals such as calcium and magnesium. 11. Additionally, The fiber in onions can aid digestion and prevent constipation. 12. 7. Bone health. Onions may contribute to better bone health. Some studies suggest that onion consumption can improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, particularly in older adults. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that onion extract improved bone density in overectomized rats, suggesting its potential for preventing bone loss. 13. Furthermore, a population-based study indicated that higher onion intake was associated with a reduced risk of hip fractures among older women. 14. 8. Immune system support. Onions can enhance the immune system due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The compounds in onions may help combat infections and boost overall immune function. Scientific evidence. Research has shown that quercetin can inhibit the replication of viruses and support immune function. A study published in Molecules found that quercetin had antiviral properties and could modulate immune responses. 15. Additionally, the vitamin C in onions contributes to the immune system's ability to fight infections. 16. 9. Weight management. Onions can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet. They are low in calories yet high in fiber, which can promote satiety and help control appetite. Scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that fiber-rich foods, such as onions, can increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced overall calorie intake. 17. Moreover, the presence of certain phytochemicals in onions may boost metabolism, further aiding weight management. 18. 10. Skin and hair health. The health benefits of onions extend to skin and hair. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions can promote healthy skin and may help combat hair loss. Scientific evidence. Research published in the Journal of Dermatology found that topical application of onion juice could improve hair regrowth in individuals with alopecia areata. 19. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of onions may help treat acne and other skin infections. 20. Conclusion. Onions are more than just a flavorful ingredient in our meals. They are a powerhouse of health benefits backed by scientific evidence. From their antioxidant properties and heart health benefits to their role in cancer prevention, blood sugar regulation, and immune support, onions can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Incorporating onions into your meals is simple and delicious. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, caramelized on a burger, or sautéed in a stir-fry, these versatile vegetables can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your dishes. As always, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially for individuals with specific health conditions or dietary restrictions. With their numerous health benefits, onions can be a fantastic ally in your journey toward better health. A fantastic ally.